All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got them pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love, okay? I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows, okay? Those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split, okay? And then you got one bedroom over here, okay? Which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here. Or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. And you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one. So let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable, washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here. So there you go. There you go over here. And isn't that pretty? So again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. Again, this is the one I call the Rocky Balboa. You can buy. All right, guys, how's everybody doing today? We're going to start on the inside of this one that we call the Farmhouse Barrington. So this is the Barrington Park model. I have filmed this one before on my lot, but the one I got on my lot is more of the rustic one that's got the tongue and groove pine on the inside. This one here has the birch wood walls painted white. So this one's more of a farmhouse, more contemporary versus rustic. I love it though because you still got your tongue and groove pine dark ceilings. You got your dark floors, but again, with the white walls, it just opens up the whole area. And as you can see, makes it very livable. You got a full size couch over there, living room. Come on to the back, you got your kitchen area. You got your full-size stove, microwave, refrigerator, stackable washer and dryer. Got more storage over here. Again, Everything you need, nothing you don't. Isn't that pretty? You walk in the front door, you got your living room over that way. There's your Bosch Mini split. Beautiful park model RV. Nice size porch on the front. Okay. Of course, we can screen that in as well. This one is set up where you got your loft upstairs there for the guests or the kiddos. And then, of course, downstairs through that room is your master bedroom, which we'll show you that here in a second. You got your, look at this, beautiful full bathroom here with your slow close cabinets, medicine cabinet, okay. Get your light switches. And over here, you got your walk-in shower, your commode. Again, remember guys, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and I can stand straight up and down in that bathroom and in that shower, no problem. Look at all that extra kitchen cabinet space. Again, you got one of these smaller refrigerators, but you could definitely get a bigger one in there. As you can see, more cabinet space. You got your Whirlpool stackable, washer on the bottom, dryer on top. There's your electrical panel there. And instead of having a ladder to get up to the loft, you've got some real steps. So you take your steps, go on up, and here you go. You could easily put a king-size bed up here, a couple of full-size beds, or probably 4 twins will fit up here. So it's very spacious. Put the guests, put the grandkids up here where they can crawl on up, have some fun, go to bed up here. And then downstairs, you got the downstairs area here where, again, look at this. Keep it moving here. We got, oh, someone's in here. They opened up the door. Wouldn't be surprised if that's my son up in the loft. How did I know that? Got Mowgli up there up in the loft. How you doing up there, buddy?
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm going to get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm going to talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so relaxed. But we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Yes. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
And there's more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another
More
closet
storage.
here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then, again, I think everything else like is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept,
cool.
which I think really kind of looks very, it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, you know, in
it
this.
feels truly like home, or if you, I think if this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
investment, if you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right? Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom we just showed, this is your bedroom over here.
electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your
Absolutely.
windows. Again, windows galore, guys, from the top of the ceiling to the bottom. You see all those windows.
Like,
The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there. And I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it. Just absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see the size of it now that we're out here.